How to pin messages in Telegram. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to keep important messages at the top of your screen by pinning it in the Telegram. It's super easy, so without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're inside your Telegram app, go to the chat where the message is. Now, tap and hold the message you want to pin. Now tap on this needle icon, which is the pin icon, at the top of your screen. In groups, you'll be asked if you want to pin it for everyone or just yourself. Choose what works best. But if you want to pin a single person, then it won't be asked. And that's it. The message is now pinned at the top of the chat. We can use pin messages to highlight rules, reminders, or anything important. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.